Hey, make your life easy. Well, there it is. That's what we're replacing today. Bag boys.
Oh, you just keep on there.
Nah, it's like that because it can't. There's no air in there, so it just deflates.
It pops?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
You gotta take off from the bottom?
Yeah. It's just pretty. It's just that down there, and then swap everything onto this one, and then that's it.
That's simple fix. Simple fix for you guys. That looks like a 13.
Yep.
Yeah. So we're gonna take that line off and replace this bag real quick, and then I don't know. All you have to do is put that red Loctite, and then what's that white stuff called? Cement.
Teflon?
No. Teflon tape. And that should be it. That should be an easy fix for you guys. So here's the 13. While Master Mechanic Jose breaks it. 14. I know, these are really pretty cool.
No. That's the one by the movies, right?
Yeah. Brand new bags. Brand new bag. My bad. 5 hours later. Got the bag out. Oh. I don't know. Like that, but your boy fucking super strong. What? Go pick it up.
Oh, is that what it is? Trying to do?
Where is it? I'm gonna go get it and throw it at you, Nola. I fucking ripped off his leg. So what we got? What we got?
Gotta reverse thread that out.
No, I don't got any nuts.
Let me put this one on just in case too.
Yeah, and I threw it at you, and then you ran away. And is it working? Find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Look at that. Yeah. Too much! You put it on your lips and you shut your lips and then you stay quiet for life. Yeah, I just tighten it all the way to the bottom. So your dad can be low and slow again.
Push it first and then put the light on.
Push with all your might, all might. Plus ultra.
I'm afraid that I barely have a minute left in this form. Because I am... the world's symbol of peace and justice! You may have heard these words before, but I'll teach you what they really mean. Go beyond! Plus!
Ultra! It sound. I don't hear anything. Recommend you taking that off so it can be easier to get to the bag. 'Cause that was what we were having problems. super easy bag install. If you guys thought this video was super helpful, leave a thumbs up because it helps the channel. There you go, right there. Guys, that was a super easy fix. If you have a bag that goes out, that's pretty much what you got to do. Take the bag out, replace it, put it back in. It was super easy on the Civic, and that's pretty much all you got to do. Super simple. But if you want to be Jose and break everything, then you can be like that too. What's up, guys? If you guys can't see me, I'm sorry. Me and the crew were about to go for a drive, and I just wanted to end the video off. We just got done fixing Fabian into the bag. We just put it in. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a super quick video. I'm sorry, but this is just for the guys who don't know how to put the bags in. We just want to do a quick video for you guys, showing you guys an example of how to do it. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next vlog soon.